proof that old people shouldn't use curling irons. Ouch. Someone in the comments section suggested this product to restore my cabinets and make them look nicer. So I'm going to try this before I make any decisions about painting. This is the cleaner and this is the restorer, and this is just a matter of spraying it on and rubbing the cabinet. And then this, it comes with the mitt, and you spray it either on the cabinet or on the mitt and wipe it down. Okay, now I'm going to use the restorer. You can see the before, it's just that fake, well, fake, I don't know what else to say. It's not real wood. I need my stool. Okay, well, it's wet right now, so let's come back and, I don't know, I think I missed a spot. In a few minutes and see what it looks like. Well, I can see that they're a tiny bit shinier than they were, but I'm not impressed at all. It didn't change it enough for me to still not want to change it. Did that make sense? You know what I mean. Someone left a comment about a product called Beyond Paint, and it is a one coat. It's primer, cleaner, paint, does it all, sealer, does it all. And it's something I might like to try on the cabinets, but it's $45 a quart. And I have no idea how many quarts it would take. See, part of the problem is this house has got so much wood, or fake wood, so much wood that it's hard to decide where to stop. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Ignore the mess. Okay, so obviously the cabinets in the kitchen are wood, and the little area out here is wood, but the wood continues all the way around the house, and in the ceiling. So it's like, what do I paint? What don't I paint? Where do I stop it? It's just confusing. Decisions. But anyway, I will leave a link for that Beyond Paint in the description, and you guys can check it out. I think it looks promising, but it is, like I said, really spendy.